Hi, I'm Jonathan Jadiel Chartiaga, and today I'm going to tell you about the Roman Colosseum. Perhaps because of the colossal statue of Nero that stood nearby, called in antiquity by an amphitheater, said architectural structure is the main symbol of the Rome, almost 2000 years old. I'm going to start by telling you the history of the Colosseum, which is divided into four sections through the history of humanity. First, I'm going to talk in the ancient Rome. In the ancient Rome, between the 5th and 6th centuries, the 15th of gladiators and wild animals was provided, and in the 13th century the Colosseum became a fortress. The works of the Colosseum began under the mandate of the Emperor Vespasian between 70 and 72. The last show they hosted the Colosseum that is known in 543 by order of the Gothic king Theodoric. Now going to the Middle Age. In the Middle Age, the Colosseum underwent great changes. It is used during the medieval period. At the end of the 6th century, a small church was built within the amphitheater structure, although it apparently did not have the entire building religious significance. The Great Earthquake of the 3059 severely damaged the structure of the Colosseum, causing the southern outer side to the collapse. In the modern age, in 89, in 8020, several buttress were completed that are clearly distinguishable today, and without which the building would probably have collapsed. Consolidations and improvement works took place throughout the century in a process that still continues. Through the 5th and 6th centuries, the travertine that covered it was removed to be used in other constructions. In the present and today, in 1980, UNESCO declared the Historic Center of Rome, included the Colosseum a World Heritage Site. This monument of classical Rome has been designated one of the new seven wonders of the modern world. The Colosseum is undoubtedly one of the great tourist attractions of Rome. In the applications, the uses of the Colosseum have changed over time. Before, it wasn't used for gladiators fight as well as a wide variety of events. The shows called Munera were always sponsored by citizens rather than by the state. They had a strong religious element, but they were also a demonstration of family power and influence, and they turned out to be incredibly popular with the plebeians. Another popular event are was the hunting animals or venerio. The after that, it is the biggest tourism attraction in Rome, and thousands tourists pay each year to enter and see the arena. It also houses a museum dedicated to the Greek god Eros on the top floor of the building. Activities to do here. Some activities you can do when visit the Coliseum are take tour. The take tour you on a guided tour with an explanation of three emblematic places in the Coliseum. Coliseum, obviously, Paladin Mount, and the Forum Roman. You can buy a gift for a friend or family. You can take photos of memories. You can visit the Museum of Heroes. Inside the Coliseum, there is a museum dedicated to the fertility god, which you can visit, or you can visit the Arch of the Triumph. And thanks for listening my academic presentation.